The Siemens washing machine E1 error code indicates a water level error, meaning there is not enough water entering the machine, often due to issues with the water hose or clogged filters. This error can be caused by a kinked or damaged water hose, which can be blocked by debris, affecting the washer's water supply system. Additionally, the water hose filters, designed to catch loose debris, can become blocked by dirt or debris buildup, leading to low water pressure and the resulting error code. To fix the error, start by checking the water hose. Turn off the power supply, remove the washing machine door, and inspect the hose for kinks or damage. If necessary, repair or clean the hose, and reattach it in a secure position. If the issue persists, try cleaning the water hose filter by turning off the power supply, disconnecting the water hose inlet, and removing the filters. Clean the filters with running water. Then reinsert them and reconnect the hose. Finally, turn on the power supply and check if the error has been resolved.